Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Vinary Global Consultancy. So friends, in this video we will discuss about Deakin University Research and PhD Scholarship process. We will discuss in details procedure of scholarship, eligibility criteria, what documents are required for that, and how much amount they are offering to the students of research and PhD students. We will discuss in details. So before going in details, I request you as always, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon as you can easily receive upcoming all important videos. So let's discuss in details. Here you can see I have opened Deakin University Australia official page. Here they have mentioned at the top 400 research scholarships available. These scholarships are fully funded and the research institutes in Australia 100% excellence in Australian research in overall world, and top 1% of universities globally they have, and top 1% universities for global research area impact they have, and Australia have 247 high achieving research graduates in 2022. So you can see here, reimagine your career with a research degree at Deakin. PhD students and for master's research. The Doctor of Philosophy is an independent supervised research project making an original and significant contribution to knowledge in your chosen discipline, which results in a written thesis. PhD students will go for PhD with their research and written thesis, and for masters by research degree is awarded for an original contribution to knowledge. The length of the thesis submitted for examination will be less than for a PhD. A master by research is often a good stepping stone before embarking on a PhD. For example, you are doing masters from this Deakin University, then easily you can enroll. After completing your degree, you can easily enroll for PhD program. Now scholarships, how much amount they are offering. In Australia, PhD and research degree scholarships recognize and reward students from a broad range of backgrounds across a number of interest areas. This scholarship covers tuition fee and providing a living allowances there in Australia. They pay 28,900 Australian dollars per year and your tax will be exempted. You don't have to pay any taxes there. Assistance with living costs and access to a range of support services, all other activities, for example about your research, and if you want to go to visit anywhere else in Australia with your supervisor, then all will be covered by this scholarship program. Relocation allowance of up to 1,500 Australian dollars. Single overseas student health cover policy for the duration of the student visa. All your insurances during your degree will be covered by this scholarship. Assistance applying for national and international grants and schemes. For example, you are studying there, you are doing their PhD or masters, and you want to apply for any other assistantship in Australia, then your expenses for that assistantship will be covered by this scholarship. Now, what is the eligibility criteria? For eligibility criteria, this research scholarship, we will check here. First of all, you have to search department according to your choice. for international students. Here, how to apply. For PhD students, first PhD students have to search about their supervisor according to their choices. Here you can see find a research supervisor. You will open it and you will get all the faculty members list. There are steps given. First of all, in first step, you have to choose your department. Then you have to define your area of interest. Then you have to choose your faculty. You can see here all faculties are given. And then research institutes and centers for master's students. And then you have to contact supervisor. You will need to find a supervisor who can work well with both professionally and personally, as you will be working with them for the duration of your degree. For both research students, master's research students and PhD, first you have to find the supervisor. If you will get an acceptance from supervisor, then your chances will be more to admit for this scholarship. And if you will be admitted in this institute, automatically you will be considered for this scholarship program. And in documents, you should have your latest degrees, transcripts, 2 recommendation letters, statement of purpose or motivational letter, and your updated CV and your national ID or passport. So all these are the requirements about this scholarship, Deakin scholarship program. If you have any other question, you can ask me in comment box or directly contact me on Telegram group. You will be answered there. So this is all about in this video. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye.